This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah. So once again, thanks a lot for everyone, for joining this particular demo session. So as I said, okay, in today's demo, I'm going to talk about the topics what we are going to discuss in this course and the duration and how our training goes, the flow of the training and everything. Right. So sorry. Yeah, before I proceed, let me introduce about myself. I most of them knows about me. Myself, Venkat. Okay, I have around 12 years of experience as a developer and a trainer. So I have a good experience even in training also. With that experience only, I am delivering the sessions based on my availability. Right. So I based out of India. I am from India. Okay. This all brief about meeting. And yeah, so about my technical expertise, if you want to know, if you go to my YouTube channel called Venkat since 2010, if you open Venkat since 2010, you can find all my videos over there. Okay, right. So this the one what I am writing in the notepad we call as a class notes. Okay, what we call as a class notes. So what I do, team, as it is a virtual session, I can understand very well this one. Okay, as it is a virtual session, so you may not able to write while I'm explaining, so it might be difficult or you might miss something while I'm explaining. So that is the reason what usually I do, whatever I am doing on the mainframe server, whatever I am doing on the mainframe server, I'll write everything in the notepad. At the end of the day or in the next day, I will share these class notes so that before you come to the next session, you can go through this day one or the everyday class notes. Okay, yeah. So uh, as you know, this particular in this training we are going to discuss the content related to mainframe developer. Okay, so once you complete this training you can work on development projects. Okay, so if you know all these modules you can become a tester also, you can become a mainframe tester. Okay, because those modules also we are covering it. Okay, so in this mainframe developer training or mainframe technology training, so that we are going to discuss the first module, TSO-ISPF. This is the first module. So whether you know mainframe, whether you know computers language, any programming language, it doesn't matter here. So as we are starting from the scratch, okay, if you don't know anything about TSO-ISPF, you will be able to understand because we are starting from the basics and starting point. Okay, we are going to start learning from A, then B, C. We are going to learn from A till Z, the words formation, right? So we are going to start from the scratch. So who are new to mainframe technology, nothing to worry about it. But only one thing you have to worry: how much time you spend to do the answer. Okay, how much time you're going to spend to practice whatever we are discussing. That is the one point you should worry. Okay, as based on my experience, I'm telling. Next one, once we are done with the TSYSPF module thing, so which usually it will take minimum 5 days. Okay, 5 days to 7 days. It depends on. Always, I will give the range. I don't say that 5 days. If there is a discussion, then it might take 7 days also, 8 days also. If nobody is asking, if I continue with my flow, I might take only 5 days, right? So when we have a discussions, obviously it will take more time. Okay, when we have a discussions it will take more time, right? So hence, okay, so I'll be giving the range, the duration. Okay, 5 to 7 days it will take to complete TSYSPF. Once we complete TSYSPF, so we will be starting JCL. So JCL is the second module. Okay, we are going to start JCL. Once we are done with the JCL, Then COBOL, sorry, VSAM. So I did not talk about this one, right? VSAM minimum it take 10 days. Okay, so it is going to take 10 days. So maximum 14 days. Not more than that. What are the topics we are going to cover? Already it is there in the PDF document. If you don't have this PDF document, don't worry. Okay, I'll be sharing it. Next, VSAM. So in VSAM, it will take 3 days. Okay, minimum 3 days, max 4 days. Okay, to complete this one, minimum 3 days, maximum 4 days. Then fourth one, COBOL. Okay, so this is the very core module in our training. Minimum it will take 15 days. Okay, 15 above 15 days plus only, not less than at all. Okay, this module and the exam itself will take minimum 1 month for me to complete. Then once we are done with the COBOL, so we will be discussing DB2 database. Okay, so the DB2 will take 7 days minimum, maximum 10 days. Okay, so as I said, I will show you the topics what we are going to cover and what I am going to present, what I am going to give as a recorded video. So you will get everything. Sixth one, kicks, which is the last one. Okay, so in a kicks module, it will take 10 days, 12 into 12 days minimum. Then, okay, 12 days you will get it. So if you count all of them, team, okay, if you count all of them, I will go with the minimum only. Okay, minimum range only, minimum value. So that we will get the total number of days. 5 plus 10, 15 days, 18 days, right? 18 and here is 12, 30, 45 and 52. So to complete this particular training, I need 52 days. Okay, 50 days, 50 minimum 52 days it will take for me to complete. Right? If I go with the lowest numbers, if I go with the maximum numbers, it might cross more than that. Okay, again, it depends on our discussions, our participants' questions. Right? Now, so I am going to conduct 52 days. Sorry, 50 days, 52 days. Right? So if you ask me this entire TSO ISPF module, okay, if you ask me TSO the entire TSYSPF module videos are present, okay, videos are present in my YouTube channel. Okay, just you have to go to playlist called TSYSPF. Okay, you have to go to Venkat since 2010. In that TSYSPF playlist you can get all the videos. Okay, so everything is explained in detail. Though the videos are there, but still I will start from the scratch. I'll explain in the training. Okay, some people might get time to watch, some people may not get to watch it, right? So we no need to see that whether, okay, yeah. So that is all about this one. Okay, but here in JCL, okay, whatever the topics I have given in the PDF documenting, okay, if you see this is, I'll explain this, whatever I said here I'll explain all the topics. But if you see here, okay, short utility I will explain. Two bonus videos are additional stuff. Okay, I'll say additional stuff on DF short utility. Two, okay, two additional stuff that is approximately 90 minutes, 90 minutes duration videos I'm going to give. Plus, so two videos on interview questions, SCL interview questions. So, Okay, this is the one. So two videos are there. So you will get, apart from 10 days, you will get this are all. Then VSAM. Okay. So here I'll explain everything practically. Nothing will given to you. Then COBOL. Apart from this, okay. Apart from, there are few topics which I don't explain, which are self-explanatory. Example, if I go here, you see this document, everything. Now I've said I don't explain this topic, but I will be giving the recorded video, or I might explain. It depends, okay? But okay, as I'm not promising that I'll explain this topic, because giving a promise, not fulfilling that at the end or in between, I will give a wrong impression, right? That is the reason. Okay, that is the reason I said you will get video. Similarly, you will get a video for string, unstring, and inspect. Okay, for this also you will get a video. Then alternative index concept video. So total, to see, for editing picture class, I'll take it. Okay, even if I give also 30 minutes duration video only, that is my video. Okay, then alternative index. Okay, we have a 90 minutes duration video. Yes, two videos are there. It is around 1.5 to 2 hours video on alternative index, and 1 hour video on sort, sorry, string, unstring, and inspect. Okay, then we have, okay, 2 hours videos on COBOL interview questions. Apart from the topics, we are going to I'm going to share. So 15 plus 5, total 20 hours you are going to get it for COBOL. You might get more. So I'm giving minimum videos, but you will get more. Then DB2, yes. Okay, in DB2 also, okay, you can have a look on the content. So these are all, you guys supposed to know. You should know this, writing SQL queries and all of them. If you don't know database at all, you have to start learning from the day one itself, because we don't discuss what is inner join, what is outer join and all, because that is a prerequisites for you. Hence, I will be giving the recorded videos on these joins and all, because these are all prerequisites for you. Okay, even though it is a precondition for this learning, but I'm giving the videos. Okay, I'm giving my videos, but you can start learning from day one itself about this DB2 concepts, right? Then yeah, that is all about it for DB2. Okay, so then kicks, I don't explain. When I have a video, 1 hour video, 1 hour video, practical video. I'm talking, whenever I say the video, it is a practical explained on the server. So 1 hour video on COBOL DB2 plus kicks. I'm going to cover COBOL DB, COBOL kicks file handling, but on the server which we are using, that will not support COBOL DB2 kicks. That is the reason I will give one video. Then I will give 2 hours videos. Okay, 2 hours videos apart from 12 hours. 12 hours videos on TSQ, TDQ overuse, and developing the paging logic. Okay, how you develop the paging logic, or scroll down and scroll up. So how you implement on content. So this two you will get it. So 12 plus 3, right? So 15 hours. So you are going to get additional videos, because I am not going to cover them. That is the reason I am giving as a bonus videos to you. So if you come to the kicks, all the topics I will be explaining to you in this training, but except last these three. So 18 topics are there. 17 17 I am sorry 14 I am covering. 3 I am giving it to you. Okay, to watch the videos. I'll give the videos, just to watch it. So this is all about the content team. Yes, I know that I did not go through each point. I request you to, if you are okay, if you are interested to join this demo, I mean, if you want to continue our training, yes, you are good to drop a mail to me or you WhatsApp me. I will send you the PDF document so that you can have a look what Venkat is explaining, what are the topics he is covering. Then you can decide whether you want to continue or not. Okay. So this is all about content uh, point of point of view. Right now, I fast for 1 or 2 minutes to take the questions from you. And the one more point, at any time you can interrupt my presentation. Okay, you can ask if it the okay your question is related to this particular scenario in this particular presentation. Yes, you are good to interrupt me. No problem. Yeah. So yes, please go ahead now regarding the content. Any queries you have? Yeah, one more thing, let me add. See, we are going to cover file manager tool, okay, and we are going to cover spoofy tool, and we are going to cover query management facility. So we don't discuss any version control tool like changeman, okay, endeavor. We don't discuss any debugging tool called IBM debugger, expeditor. We don't discuss, we don't touch at all because those are all commercial tools. On our training server, we don't get it. Only clients only cannot able to bear it. How as a individual contributor, how we can purchase it, right? So hence, don't expect any tools training apart from these three, like Changeman, Endeavor, Expeditor, Debugger tool, Control M, CA7. These tools we don't touch at all, okay? Because those are all commercial tools and those tools access we don't have. If we have access, yes, I would have explained, okay? But we don't have an access which has a public. Yeah, yes, you are good to answer the questions now. I hope you are clear, guys. Silva, are you clear? Silva, are you there? I hope you can hear me right. Yeah,
Hello, Venkat.
yes.
Can you hear me?
Sorry, I can hear
Can you
you.
hear me?
I,
Yeah. I don't have a doubt about the topics. Have a small request though. Actually, I am working at TCS right now in mainframe support projects. So it is a little bit difficult for me to attend class on 9 o'clock because my shift is from 1 o'clock to 10 o'clock. So is it possible to get the recorded session for every classes? Because it's a little bit
yes, yeah, I'll come to that. Okay, I have my own standards and rules and guidelines. Okay, I want
okay.
to let me take your question. I'll answer in your question in a while. Okay, let
Okay.
listen the questions from others also,
Thank you.
but I'll answer. Okay, okay, makes sense. I guess no queries. Yeah, so,
Venkat, hello, this is Karthi Venkat.
yeah, Karthi.
Venkat, like, do we have to attend the entire training or can we just opt for, like, as I've asked before, like, for a specific module?
Yeah, you can do it, no problem. There is no force mandatory to attend end to end. Okay,
Okay,
anyone can attend any particular module. Just you should be keep in touch with me. So just
okay,
get the updates from my end. Which module when it is going to start because usually I'll update in my WhatsApp status.
okay,
Based on the status, you can opt whichever you want. Not a problem.
okay, thanks, Venkat.
Yeah. Okay. Right. So our training goes from Monday to Friday. So Monday to Friday, every day, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. to 10 p.m. Okay. So when it is going to start our batch, we started, in fact, we started the batch. Today is the day one training. Tomorrow is a day two. Okay. So we are continuing our training. Is it clear? So don't think that this is just a demo. Venkat will not start the batch or will start batch later. Don't think like that. If I started a demo, which means that the batch is going to continue further. So hence day two, today is a day one and it come demo. Tomorrow is day two. Okay, so coming to the timings and this one team schedule. So we have a sessions Monday to Friday, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. daily 1 hour, and I will take few weekends also. I will take sessions on few weekends also. The reason for taking weekends, right? Okay, in 3 months journey, I might go somewhere else due to, or I might be traveling, I might be busy, I stuck somewhere, or I am not well. Okay, if I'm not well, then I have to take a leave, right? But I will inform you well in advance. If it is planned leave, if it is a planned okay, vacation or anything, any function is there important, I will inform you. Okay, I will inform you. But let's say 2 days I am not well in these 3 months or in this duration, but I have to compensate that 2 days because I supposed to take Monday to Friday. uh, Thursday Friday I did not take due to some X reason, due to some Y reason. So then to compensate that I will take few weekends. Okay, hence you should be ready to attend the weekends also, but not every weekend. Okay, not every weekend. So what is the pattern of that? That now I cannot tell you. Okay, that is all about the timings Monday to Friday. You should be ready to attend few weekends. Saturday, maximum Saturday only. I don't conduct on Sundays, very rare. Okay, I stop, I thought of stopping session on Sundays going forward from this batch. Earlier I used to conduct on Sundays also, but from this batch I decided to don't take session on Sunday because even I have to take a rest, right? So Monday to Saturday, I will not be able to see 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. weather outside. At least Sunday, I can visit, right? I can see the weather at 9 to 10 p.m. outside. I can visit what is going outside, right? Yeah. So that is all about the. Okay, and you will get the class notes, the one which I am writing notepad called class notes. You will get the soft copy material. Okay, you will get the soft copy material. Then, yes, and you will get the mainframe server access. Okay, you will get the mainframe server access, and it is a sharing basis. I'll tell you what is all the support. Okay, so what happens, team? You know very well, giving mainframe ID access to each one of you will cost for me for 3 months minimum 6,000. Okay, minimum 6,000 per ID. For if let's say there are two participants, participant one and participant 2. So this guy is going to attend 3 months training, correct? So if I want to give exclusive ID to him only or to her only, so 3 months per month minimum to minimum 1500 I have to pay. 4,500 rupees I have to pay. Correct? So do you use 24 hours and all these 90 days? No. Okay. So either I have to charge this amount from you, correct? Because I can, okay, it's not my own server, right? To give for free of cost the ID. Am I correct? So since this particular amount is burden for me and for you as well as, okay, so this amount will be burden, okay, for you and for me. So that is the reason what I do, right? Okay, I don't charge any extra money for mainframe ID access. For mainframe ID I don't charge any additional amount. So what I do, I will give one mainframe ID for free of cost, one mainframe ID for 5 to 7 people. 7 people. Let's say, okay, 7 people means per a day 24 hours. Okay, if everyone using 3 hours also, the candidate can get 3 hours per day. 7 into 3, 21 hours. 8 hours. Literally 8 people can use to utilize 3 hours. Okay, is it clear? So now if you utilize 1 hour also is great. Okay, so 5 to 7 people will be allocated for one mainframe ID. So that is called sharing basis ID. Now for this ID access, you don't need to pay. It is a part of everything. It's my course. Okay, I am giving, as you can say, as a free of cost, whatever you call, right? So the next one, you don't get any certifications because I'm not running any institute or company. I'm an individual contributor. Okay, so just I will share my knowledge by getting the contacts, getting the participants myself and doing that business, right? So you don't get any certification. Okay, you don't get any certifications. The next one, coming to assignments. Okay, coming to the assignments and hands-on. This is very crucial part for learner. So hands-on means or practice means whatever I am explaining, if you do every day, 100% you will become a knowledgeable person on LinkedIn. That on bond paper, I can write a bond paper to you, no doubt. Okay. Again, I'm repeating, whatever I am explaining, whatever I ask you to do, if you do the hands-on and if you complete the assignments which I am going to give, you will become mainframe knowledgeable person. You are going to have mainframe knowledge, no doubt in that, no confusion for, for me. So without doing the hands-on, if you pay 1 lakh rupees, 10,000 rupees, 500 rupees, no use. Okay, hands-on very crucial because your learning will be there from practical. Your learning will be there from practical. If you don't have a time to practical, then think once and twice to attend this training. Anyone's training, not only my training, because when you do more hands-on, you will get more knowledge. Okay, you will understand everyday concepts, right? So based on your hands-on, I give the assignments. Okay, if everyone is doing the assignments or at least 50% of the participants are doing assignments, I will be giving the assignments after each topic wherever it is applicable. Okay, so that is all about assignments and all. And I said mainframe server access. Okay, the mainframe server access will be there. So mainframe server access till you complete the training, till you complete the training. So whenever your last day, that the last day training will be the last access for you. Okay, that is all about mainframe server access. Now, so coming to the guidelines of my training. Okay, let's say we said 3 months training. Okay, 3 months training. So approximately how many days? We discussed 52 days will be there, right? 50 days training will be there approximately, right? So out of 15 days, you can take 10 days leave. Okay, no problem. What does mean? Okay, hey, I am paying the money. How you are controlling my leave? If you ask me, I'll address this particular question. So team, okay, out of 52 days, if you are absent for 10 days, then what is your learning? Simple formula. Out of 50 days, if you absent for 10 days, you are going to miss lot of topics. Correct? Okay, you correct. Hence, you see what is your forecast, next 3 months forecast. Okay, any function is there, any event is there, any haldi function, any whatever you call. Okay, any important function, any trip is there, family trip, you decide everything. Then you attend. Okay, so that you will be giving a justification for your training. Now I'll come to this theme. Let's say, okay, okay, first there is a person called Mohan, example. Okay, so Mohan attended initial 10 days properly. Okay, Mohan attended initial 10 days properly. After 10 days, okay, after 10 days, okay, he did not he did not attend 2 days training due to some reason, X reason for doesn't matter for me. Now he can request videos for those 2 days because he is absent for 2 days. But he have to inform me well in advance or at least before session starts. Okay, the rule is before I start the session, you need to inform. Example, tomorrow you are attending session at 9 o'clock. So you inform me 8:55 p.m. tomorrow, no problem. No need to inform one day before. Inform me 5 minutes before of the training. Okay, better inform when in advance. Worst situation, you can inform me. So like that, if you are absent for 10 days, you will get the recorded videos for all those 10 days. Let's say one guy is absent for 15 days. Okay, so from this, you will get 10 days videos for mixed sessions. For rest of the Fridays, he or she will not get because as I given the guidelines starting only. So only you will get 10 days videos for missing sessions. 11th day, hey Venkat, I'm see reason can anything team. You are hospitalized, whether it is a serious function, anything. I don't care about the reason. Understand? Because I faced some challenges. Okay, one guy, what he did it is he was absent after 20 days. He came up 20 days, he did not turn up, he did not message me anything. After 20 days he came and said that I am hospitalized. So those reasons, okay, yes, you are hospitalized, okay, I can understand, no problem. But okay, you might be using mobile, just text me stating that this is the reason. Okay, so at any cost, okay, to get the videos access, you will get 10 days videos only. Whether you are missing due to any what reason is not important for me. Okay, which means that every day you will not get the recorded video. So what is the conclusion of these points? You have to attend the session. Okay, so and you have to refer these class notes to understand what Venkat is explained on the day one or day two that day. Okay, so you don't get the recorded videos. I don't share the recorded videos after session. Okay, that I don't do it. Yes, that is all about it. And the other point I want to highlight, okay, okay, if you are not able to continue in this batch, you need to inform me well in advance. The reason can be anything. Okay, if you want to drop in middle of the batch, you should inform me well in advance. If you don't inform to me either over email, first you have to do answer mandatory or email. If you don't inform me email or anywhere, if you don't inform, then I will be considering as that you are attending the entire training. So you don't attend, but I'll be considering as you are attending. So the rule is, if somebody is not able to attend the rest of the days after 20 days, you inform me well in advance. Then we will close the request there itself. Okay, I will acknowledge your email. Yes, I agreed. Okay, you can, your issue want to continue, you can want to drop, you can drop, no problem. So because I'll be interacting with multiple resources here, right? So I have a 2000 to 3000 resources contacts I have. Okay, I'll be interacting with multiple people. So I don't remember every transaction, every conversation. Sorry, every conversation I cannot remember. So that is the reason everything should be documented. So if you message me, that is a proof for you. Okay, so done. Major part I am done, team. Now it's time for you to ask the questions about this training. So I hope I answered one question here regarding videos and that. So if you are not able to attend, you are sure right now you don't able to attend, then you take only recorded videos. Don't attend the live sessions. Okay, either one of them you can opt it. That is possible, no? So don't attend live, but you take the recorded videos. Then go through the videos as you said. Okay. If you want recorded videos, I can give you in the next 1 week also. No problem. All videos I have. Yeah, others.
Hello, Venkat.
Yeah.
Uh,
as you said, we have there is only limit of 3 hours for practice with the server, or we can do more than that.
See, as okay, I'll come back to this formula. Okay, how many people are here? 5 to 7 people. Okay, 100% I can tell you, out of 7 people, maximum 2 people only will use ID properly. 2 people only will use 3 words. Okay, so the point here I'm giving to the coming to the point. You can use more than 3 hours, 6 hours, 10 hours. You can use it if nobody is using that ID in your group. Let's say 6 people are not using. Seven out of seven, 6 people are not using. You are the only one person using. 100% you can use it, no problem. Okay, I don't have any problem. Okay, so you can use more than 3 hours. Depends on how others are using. Okay, if no team, it will be the number is going to increase or decrease. Don't stick with the 5 to 7 for your example. Okay, but I will ensure that minimum you will get the 3 hours time to practice. For more than three, it's all about your group that ID you are using, depends on their practice. But based on my experience, okay, I have not seen the person who is using ID more than 2 hours from the day one to last day. That I can give a stamp. I can give a stamp on it. Okay, so the person who is our asking today, they may not able to use after 10 because they have a lot of commitments, right? So family commitments, office work, or other stuff will come into the picture. So a lot of things will be there. Due to multiple reasons, people will not be able to do the hands on. Yes, next question. I hope I answered your question.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah. So team, see, I can talk very soft, okay, softly, because I can attract the participants. Okay, by saying that I will give it, I don't give it. When yeah, you can use it. Simply, I can say that. See, the thing is, I'm a okay, well-established person in mainframe community. Giving wrong promise and not fulfilling at the end will not make any sense for me. And it's not. This is not the training is not priority for me. Okay, I have a lot of things to do, but this is just my passion, interest, and it's utilizing my spare time. Right. So that is the reason. Whatever I can do, I am telling you the starting, so that we should not get the conflicting in anywhere in between. Okay, so the day when how we started our journey, ending also should go in the same way. Okay, you should be happily complete your training and get the job or get the knowledge, whichever objective of yours, you should get it that at the end. That is our yours are mine core objective, right? Common objective is okay, gaining content. Yeah, any queries?
Hi, Venkat.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, for me, project is allocated last week, and it will
Mhm.
take a month to create ID from client side. It will take a background verification. For that, it will take 4 weeks. For this month, I'll attend the live classes. After that, my shift is from 11 o'clock to 9:30. I don't have no idea. Then can I get the recorded videos from the next month?
Yes, that you are informing well in advance that you will attend 1 month live. Rest of the modules, rest of the topics, you want to take the recorded videos. Very good, perfectly fine, no problem. But everything should drop a mail stating what we discussed.
Yeah,
That's all.
I'll inform you before itself.
Yeah, yeah. Just whatever we discussed in the stating that I'll continue and still I get the project. I will continue the live session. From where I discontinue, from there you please share the recorded videos, those topics.
There
But
is no
I will.
conflict between my shift timings and the class, then I'll continue the live classes only.
No problem, no problem. But you need to inform, well, you need to inform before you do the payment, get that acknowledgement, and like that. So that it will be, we will be having a good coordination, right?
Thank you.
Yeah. If somebody asks, Swati asked if 2 people are using same ID, yeah, there is a conflicting, Swati. There is high chances. Yes, that is collaboration, understanding should be there. The maturity should come into the picture. Okay, so we need to see what time Swati, what time she is using. Accordingly, I have to plan my schedule. Okay, or how Venkat is doing. Accordingly, Swati should plan. Okay, when should do it. So there, my intervention will not be there. Okay, any small silly things are happening, then my intervention will be there. Otherwise, no. Okay, so based on your you guys understanding, you can decide who is going to use. I don't have any problem. When you are getting a issue, when you people are conflicting and you are both are coordinating properly, then I'll pitch in and I'll try to sort out the issue. That I can do it.
Okay, Venkat. Thank you.
అండి
So
వెంకట్
this,
గారు.
yeah,
యాక్చువల్లీ నేను మిడిల్లో జాయిన్ అయ్యానండి. ఒక చిన్న టూ డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయి.
yeah,
ఇప్పుడు మీరు
guys.
ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్
Wait. So guys, he's talking in his my local language. Don't worry, I'll answer everything in English. Okay, and I'll ask him later if he attends the session. I'll ask him to attend the in English only. Okay, our content is everything is in English. No way Telugu. But yeah, you're good to go. If you ask in English, well and good. Okay. Yeah.
ఈ క్లాసెస్ అటెండ్ లైవ్ లో అటెండ్ అవ్వచ్చు, లేదంటే కనుక వీడియోస్ అయినా తీసుకోవచ్చు అని అన్నారు కదా. ఇట్స్ ఫీజ్
Yes.
డిఫరెన్స్ ఏమైనా ఉంటుందా?
Slightly there is a difference. Videos will be lesser than live sessions.
ఓకే. ఈ సెకండ్ వన్ ఏమంటే ఇప్పుడు మామూలు జనరల్ గా లైవ్ సెషన్స్ అటెండ్ అవుతాము, దానికి రెఫరెన్స్ గా మీరు ఆ డేది వీడియో ప్రొవైడ్ చేయలేరా?
I don't provide.
ఓకే ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Yeah, welcome. So he was asking that can you give the recorded video after each session? I said no. Okay, because I don't do it. Okay, so my participants should attend live session. Okay, any other
Okay, one
queries?
more question. Yeah, please, Venkat, one more question. After
Yeah, please.
the session, after the course, you will support the productivity or any interview something?
Yeah.
Any
So coming.
information?
Yeah. So I am going to spend my own the entire time and my commitment for the entire training only. After training, if you need any help, like you have a doubts, you need some suggestions, which company should join, okay, are you stuck somewhere, what is the best solution, those things I can help you, no problem in
Yeah,
that.
sure.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you
Things
so much.
I can help you, but if you ask me, giving a big assignment, problem statement, give me the solution, those things I cannot do it because I don't have that much
Okay.
bandwidth. Just telling it to
Okay.
everyone. I'm not addressing you. The question is,
Okay.
so the answer might be applicable for everyone also, right?
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. So, yeah, Silva, I would like to hear your voice from here. So, Silva, you are from Portugal or which you are from where you are? Silva, can you unmute? I guess you are on mute if you're speaking. Not sure.
Oh, hello, Venkat.
Hey, hi.
Oh, yeah, I'm from Portugal. Thanks for sharing me your invite, okay?
Mm-hmm. Okay, I mean, you are able to understand my presentation the way, because okay, the way
Oh,
of
yeah, sure. Yeah,
because the people.
it's clear to me. It's clear to me. I'm really interested in to continue doing this course, okay? So everything that you told here, I understood, okay? Just one question. I think I can share with you when, in the chat. I noticed the mainframe the the mainframe user is shared, okay, but you I don't know if you understood, but you I think if I can, if I want to have a personal or private user, okay, to access the mainframe. how much money it cost to do that?
Yeah, so it will be, since you are from different country, okay, okay, I will give you the price, 2000 to 3000 Indian rupees.
Okay,
Yeah,
for month or for whole course? For the whole
per
course?
ID per month.
Per month. Okay.
So
This price is I need to pay directly to you, or
now you can pay it to the vendor. Okay, I'm not the vendor.
okay,
From where I procure the mainframe ID, I will give their contact. You can reach out to them. You talk to them.
okay,
If you can negotiate, you can ask negotiation. If they give, you can take it. I don't have any problem or commitment here. Okay,
okay,
just I will give you the contact.
okay. Thanks, Venkat.
Yeah. So Halvin,
Yeah, Venkat. Yeah. Hello.
yeah, yeah, I can hear you. Go ahead. Any queries?
No, no, no. It's clear.
Yeah.
You made it
So
clear. Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Others, any queries do you have? Let me know.
Hello, Venkat. I have other question.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, you said we have to practice from day one DB2. So will you give access from day one to DB2?
No, no. See, what does mean? I'll tell you. Okay. See, you don't know basics how to log in, how to create a data set, how you practice TV to unmute frame. Correct. So, since your question you're asking, it seems you have a experience and your experience. That is the reason
Yeah, yeah.
you are asking this question. Okay, I agree with you. Yes, for your question, answer is you can do the hands-on from the day one. No problem. Okay, DB2 will access will be there from the day one. Okay,
Okay.
then for others, okay, for others who doesn't know mainframe at all, you guys have to search in the YouTube or different articles or manuals DBMS. Okay, so your learning should start with the DBMS. So this is the common for any technology. Whatever am saying now, you don't need to learn DB2. Don't learn DB2. That is I will take care. You should learn DBMS SQL. Okay, as a mainframe computer resource, as a you are in .NET, you are in Java, irrespective of technology, you guys should know these two things. DBMS SQL. So lot of tutorials are there on this because it's a common for every IT employee. Okay, every whoever working in software company, maximum they would have learned this one. That is the reason we will get lot of manuals, videos on this too. Just go through it. Okay, okay, just learn. Okay, there only, if you see online editor for SQL, you will get it there itself. Okay, you will be having online editor, so you no need mainframe to do this one. Okay, you will do this SQL execution once we start the debit. Okay, here only you will come to know how to create a command, the table, how to insert the data. Those things you are going to learn. Next question.
Yeah, hi Venkat.
Yeah,
So, is there any particular link to attend this session every day or what?
yeah,
As you
so
invited us in WhatsApp.
what happens, okay, once the payment is done, okay, I'll tell you the payment process now, okay, which I did not talk about. I don't want to talk the commercial part in the big forum, and there is no secret behind. Okay, see, when you are okay, when we are technical resource, we need to focus more technical than commercial part. Okay, just I'll stick with those points, but anyhow, since you asked the question, I'll go with it. So team fees is 12,000 rupees, INR. Okay, the fees is 12,000 rupees. You have to pay 7K first. Okay, first means when tomorrow is a Friday, you guys can pay tomorrow or Saturday. Okay, so this is the one. Then 5K you have to pay after 1 month. First is 7,000. After that, after 1 month, you have to pay 5,000 rupees. Okay, it is a 5,000 INR. So total will be 12,000 rupees, right? And let's take a example here. You paid 7,000. After 4 days, you don't like my presentation, or you have some other commitment. I will return your money as it is without deducting single rupee, without asking any reason. Okay, so that assurance I am giving it to you. Don't worry about it, because uh, from 4 days you don't learn everything in frame. For those 4 days, charging money will not make any sense for me as well, as right? Hence, so I'm giving a 100% commitment to you. You can pay tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So you have to pay 7,000 rupees. Then, okay, after 5 days, okay, you will get 5 days only. After that, the charges are not applicable. Okay. Then after, if you don't like it, let me know. State. I'll return the money on the spot within a couple of minutes or hours once you inform me. Okay, yeah. So any other queries? I answered your question, right? I hope.
Thank you.
Venkat, Venkat, I wanted to attend only ISPF and JCL actually. Previous classes I attended it. Only these
Acha.
two were there.
Name?
Niranjan.
Yeah, Niranjan. Yeah, yeah. For see, TSY SPF, yes, you can attend. Guys, point one, okay. Niranjan, I'll come to your question, okay. We will discuss offline this one, whether you are okay to attend, whether allow or not, I'll agree. I mean, we'll discuss in offline. So, team, you are paying the 12,000 fees to attend only once, not multiple occurrences. Note the point, okay. So, once you attend this training, and complete, that's all. Later, no, I'll attend one more time, one more batch. These are all experienced points, team. These are all I experienced in last 4 5 years. Okay, if you see my videos, there are videos which I posted 3 4 years back, which means that in my experience from that. Okay, they will attend full course, they will paid full fees, no doubt in that, I accept it. But then after 1 year they will come, they will say that I want to attend. So yes, you can attend second time, but you have to pay the course fees for that. But how much? I will tell you at that time. Okay, I don't charge 12,000 rupees as this, but I will charge it at reasonable price where you will be happy. Okay, yeah, Niranjan, regarding the point we will discuss in offline. Okay, let me
Sure,
recollect
Venkat.
what we had a discussion. From there we will continue. Okay.
Sure. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, Sai Narendra, I hope I answered your question. You can get the recorded videos alone, no problem. Just you can ping me on WhatsApp, I'll tell you the process. Sikinder, you're asking what is the course fees for CICS? I don't tell well in advance. I'll tell you when I start the kicks, not now. Okay, so please be in touch with me. You'll get more details that time. Yeah, so team, today is a demo, and to answer all your questions, all you to clear all your doubts, I schedule as a demo. But tomorrow onwards, we'll start our content. Okay. Any other queries? So one the other instruction team from my end, how much you participate, you will learn double on that. Okay, which means that if you guys are asking more question, I will get more interest to explain more things. So initially I planned X. Based on your question, I can give X plus Y explanation. Right? So your active participation is going to reflect a lot. Point one. The second one, I would like to take, since it is a virtual session, okay, since it's a virtual session, please be active. Okay, don't think about others. Hey, if I ask this question, what they think, they might treat me as a doesn't know anything, is a very poor fellow. Don't think like that. So everyone came to Venkat to learn. If they are experts, they don't come to me, right? So they will be in a good position, or means they don't attend, as simple as, right? If they know mainframe, they don't come to me. So they are also learners. So don't think about others before or to ask the question. Don't think about, hey, if I ask what they think, what they treat. That is not your point. Your question, that is your question. Okay, I'm your trainer. You are good to ask me the questions. So your active questions is going to give a lot of energy to me. Yeah, any other queries? I'll stop the recording.